Okay, so congratulations for winning the award this evening. How do you feel?
Overwhelmed, very privileged to be in such a high-class company tonight. All the finalists were seriously impressive, and it's been a great night, and just privileged to be part of it.
Good, good. Sustainability is one of the main things within agriculture right now, a hot topic of discussion. What is it about the way that you guys at Upper Lockerwoods are being sustainable that you think set you apart from the competition tonight?
Sustainability has been part of our farming life for many years, all my farming life, and it's all about probably harmony within farming, harmony within sustainable farming and nature, and it's worked for us, and it's been we've been organic for 26 years, so challenging at times, but very rewarding. So it's just been a privilege to be part of the whole experience tonight. Thank you.
Do you think that winning this award tonight and receiving the accolade can help encourage other farmers to become more sustainable, seeing what you guys are doing?
In my opinion, most farmers are very good at being sustainable. The generations before them were sustainable, and for me, farming is all about sustainability, and I don't see myself as much different from any other farmer that I know, and it's all about probably embracing farming life, but also obviously making a profit and being sustainable for the future, but also sustainable for the next generation, which is the most important thing.